Alright guys, girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today, we got a 2005 GMC Sierra 1500 and the customer's complaint is no AC and no heat. So we need to find out why. That's what we're going to be doing today on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Oh, hey guys and girls, I'm Bet from I Seek Out the Truth. Welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repair. Can you dig it?
Alright guys, let's verify. The first thing we got to do is verify the complaint. So grab your keys or the customer keys. Let's get inside here. Start the truck up. AC is already on. Nothing. Oops. Okay, I got nothing coming out at all. So we need to go down there and check the blower motor. Alright, and the blower motor is located on the right side of the dash, way up under it. So let's shut this off. Let's open up the passenger door and get up under there and check out what's going on. Be right back. Okay, here we go. We got the passenger door open. And what we're going to do is go up under here. And you're going to have this cover right here. Now we need to get to the blower motor, which is right here, and the blower motor resistor, which is right there. So what we need to do is take off a few screws so we can pull this down just enough to get to it. And if you look up under it, you're going to have one screw right here. In fact, yeah, you can see that. That's a 7mm screw. And then you go over, and there's the other one. So we got two 7mm screws, and what I'm going to use is a 7mm deep 1/4" drive socket and a 1/4" drive ratchet. Let's see if I can get this off. And let me matter of fact, let me have Sylvia hold the camera. That light's not blinding, is it? So let's get our two bolts out, and they're actually like screwed up. Okay, one right there. Okay, and then our second one is right here. Okay, and we're not going to take down any more. This what we'll do is just pull this down just like this. There's probably another one over there to hold this down. But right here, this is what we're looking for. Get this light set up. There's our blower motor, and here's our blower motor. You guys see that? Right
yeah,
there?
I can see it.
No. I was about to say something.
Oh.
Stop interrupting me. Don't pushing me either. Check that out, guys. Look at that. Look at that burnt wire right there. And this is because of heat. So, all right.
What if we didn't have the heat on?
No, it's because of heat, because of... why are you messing with me? Why? Alright guys, what we need to do now, we need to test to see if this blower motor is actually working. We see we got some burnt wires right there. We need to test this blower motor. So what we're going to do now is get us a power probe. So let's get our power probe and we'll be right back. Alright guys. Guys, definitely get you a power probe. This is a power probe 3. Go to Amazon, you get you one, you can get the power probe 2. Also, what I like about these tools, let's hook this up. I was hoping you would on that side.
Yeah, but
okay,
that thing was in my way.
Positive and negative. Once you get this up, your power probe is going to activate. This thing is a test light on steroids. What I like about this thing will, if you touch ground, it'll light up ground, and you can see a little negative sign on that one. And listen to the tone that it's making. Now go to positive, different tone, and the positive side lights up, and it has a little window to let you know how many voltage is actually there. And you got a little button here to take the sound off if you want, because that does get kind of irritating. Now what's cool about this is if I'm at the blower motor or I'm at a bulb or something that I think is blown or whatever, this tip right here, the tip of this, there's a little toggle switch right here. I can bring this toggle switch forward, and now that tip is 12.5 volts positive right there. All right, if I push it back, that tip is now grounded. So in case I want to ground something out, I can hit it backwards and it's grounded. Also, what's cool about this, which I don't know why they got this little thing right here, it also gives me a little ground alligator clip. And this will, if I have a bulb that's got positive and negative, I'll take this, hook this onto the negative, and then I'll put this onto the positive side, hit forward, and that bulb should light up. But anyway, enough of that. Let's go over here to this blower motor. We'll be right back. Alright guys, the first thing we want to do is reach over here, put the key in the on position, make sure our blower motor is on. I'm going to put it on number 4 for now. Alright, let's go over here. Now we got it on. Our blower motor is not on. But right now, this wire should be hot and that one should be ground. So we're going to test that out right now. If I go put this, just tick it just a little bit. Yeah, this one got nothing. Nothing. Let's check the other one. Let's check the ground.
What are we checking? What were you looking for?
Wait a minute, I got this thing. I'm checking for positive and ground.
So the screen, you should say something?
Wait a minute, I gotta make sure I got. Cause right now this is should be. There it is. No, I actually we're gonna hear. I got it on sound, so we should hear the sound.
Okay.
And right now, I got nothing. Let's put this on high. All right, let's put it on high. Oh, look at that. All right, on high. Now you saw that, guys. On high, I got something. On lower speeds, I got nothing. That automatically tells me we have a bad blower motor resistor. Automatically. But now I still got to check. The blower motor still didn't come on. So I notice on this side, I have the 12 volts. Now let's check to see if we have ground on this side. Now this ground is also coming from the blower motor resistor. Nope. See what I got? The positive side lit up. I got 12 volts. Let's cut this sound off. So what I'm going to do now, being I know this is supposed to be ground over here, I'm going to flip my toggle switch back to make that tip a full ground. And that blower motor hopefully comes on. If it don't come on, it's shorted out. It's no good. Let's try it. Look at that. It came on. So we know our blower motor is good. Not. Wrong answer. Let's go over here. Now this wire right here is supposed to be a ground right here. And it's getting really hot. So let's try that out. Yep, that's ground. Let's move this around a little bit. Nope, it's not. Now remember, ground and positive is what powers that blower motor. We got nothing coming out. We have no ground coming out here. So we know our blower motor resistor is no good. Why did that get hot right there? That is the question. The reason why this ground wire got so hot and started melting, because that's a sign that your blower motor is going. It causes a high resistance, and it causes this wire to heat up and go bad. Let's see if we can unplug this. You need a light there, man?
Where are you going now?
Oh, that's right. Right here. Just want to see if I can,
I can see that.
Unplug it. Now to unplug this, it's got a little lever right here, a little tab. Then we got to bring that tab out and pull this harness down. Oh man, this thing is jammed up in there. So it actually welded itself up in there. That is not good. So we definitely need us. Now on the replacement, guys, you can get just the blower motor resistor, or you can get a blower motor resistor and the pigtail connector. It's going to have this connector, and it's going to have about a 5-6 inches of wire. Definitely get that in this case, because we're going to definitely need this. So there's our problem. If we do a video on replacing it, we will be doing that. We'll be right back.
Okay, so today we had a 2005 GMC Sierra with a 5.3 engine, and the complaint was that there was nothing blowing out from the vents. So we checked it out. We found that there was some burned wires at the blower motor resistor, and the cause of that was a malfunctioning blower. So we're gonna speak to the customer, see what he wants to do, and if he wants it done, then you guys know, then we'll do the video on the repairs. But in the meantime, if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.